Someone said truly that investing in tourism is actually investing in yourself, which lasts long, really long. I have traveled many parts of my India, but going northeast was a dream. This part of India always offers something new and virgin. Finally, the dream came true.
In town name.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Fine.
มีโน้ว่ารวยบ้างอ่ะพ่อไม่รวยมีโน้ว่าหามันสีนะและนั่นเลยน่าดีใจ
A whole new story will live very soon. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. When I was about to leave, Northeast whispered, "Will you come again?" I smiled and promised myself, I will come again for sure.